March is a month brimming with food celebrations that cater to a wide array of tastes and preferences. Here's your comprehensive guide to enjoying and celebrating the multitude of food holidays in March, complete with ideas to inspire your cooking and consuming. March monthly food celebrations. National Nutrition Month. Get in the habit of checking out the nutrition facts and ingredient lists of packaged foods before you buy them. National Frozen Food Month. Even though fresh local vegetables are scarce during March, frozen vegetables are a convenient way to add nutrients and fiber to your meals. National Flower Month. National Flower Month is a great time to experiment with flours. A beginning baker could start off by making something simple, pancakes from scratch, for example, while an experienced baker might want to explore a different flour than they typically use. National Noodle Month. Enjoy different types of noodles. If you typically eat Italian pasta, try Ukrainian pierogies or Japanese udon. Daily food holidays in March. March 1st, National Peanut Butter Lovers Day. Whip up your own creamy or crunchy peanut butter today and discover the joy of homemade spreads. March 2nd, National Banana Cream Pie Day. Celebrate with a slice of silky banana cream pie, a delightful blend of texture and sweetness. March 3rd, National Cold Cuts Day. Explore the art of charcuterie with high-quality cold cuts, perfect for sophisticated platters and sandwiches. March 4th, National Pound Cake Day. Bake a classic pound cake, a testament to the simple elegance of quality ingredients. March 5th, National Cheese Doodle Day. Indulge in the playful crunch of cheese doodles, or get creative by incorporating them into unique recipes. March 6th, National Frozen Food Day. Discover the potential of frozen foods with gourmet dishes that defy the freezer's limits. March 7th, National Cereal Day. Consider breakfast for dinner for an easy, non-traditional meal that the kids will love. March 8th, National Peanut Cluster Day. Delight in the simple pleasure of peanut clusters, a sweet and salty treat that's easy to make at home. March 9th, National Meatball Day. Craft meatballs from around the world and savor the global flavors of this beloved dish. March 10th, National Pack Your Lunch Day. Elevate your lunchbox with gourmet homemade delights that bring comfort and joy to your midday meal. March 11th, National Oatmeal Nut Waffles Day. Start your day with oatmeal nut waffles, a hearty and healthy twist on a breakfast classic. March 12th, National Baked Scallops Day. Savor the elegance of perfectly baked scallops, a showcase of delicate flavor and texture. March 13th, National Coconut Torte Day. Indulge in a coconut torte where tropical flavors meet the artistry of baking in every layer. March 14th, National Potato Chip Day. Homemade potato chips bring a crunch that's both satisfying and a canvas for flavor exploration. March 15th, National Pears Helene Day. Celebrate with Pears Helene, a dessert that balances the elegance of pears with the richness of chocolate. March 16th, National Artichoke Hearts Day. Dive into the unique flavor of artichoke hearts, perfect for sophisticated salads and dips. March 17th, National Corned Beef and Cabbage Day. Embrace the festive spirit with corned beef and cabbage, a St. Patrick's Day classic that's hearty and comforting. March 18th, National Sloppy Joe Day. Enjoy the delight of homemade sloppy joes, a nostalgic dish that's fun for the whole family. March 19th, National Chocolate Caramel Day. Decadence meets simplicity in chocolate caramel treats, a testament to the timeless pairing of flavors. March 20th, National Ravioli Day. Homemade ravioli offers a journey through taste and texture, filled with your choice of gourmet ingredients. March 21st, National French Bread Day. Bake your own French bread today and experience the crusty exterior and soft interior of this classic loaf. March 22nd, National Water Day. Celebrate with dishes that highlight water's importance, from soups to fresh vegetables, in a tribute to hydration and health. March 23rd, National Chip and Dip Day. Dive into the world of chips and dips, where every combination is an opportunity for creativity. March 24th, National Chocolate-Covered Raisin Day. Combine the sweetness of raisins with the richness of chocolate for a treat that delights with every bite. March 25th, National Waffle Day. Experiment with waffle recipes that go beyond breakfast, from savory options to dessert delights. March 26th, National Spinach Day. Highlight the versatility of spinach in dishes that range from fresh salads to comforting casseroles. March 27th, National Spanish Paella Day. Celebrate the rich flavors and vibrant culture of Spain with an authentic paella. March 28th, National Black Forest Cake Day. Bake a decadent Black Forest cake, a masterpiece of cherries, whipped cream, and chocolate. March 29th, National Lemon Chiffon Cake Day. Light and airy, the lemon chiffon cake is a sweet reminder of spring's arrival, perfect for sharing. March 30th, National Turkey Neck Soup Day. Turkey neck soup originated in America in the 18th or 19th century as an economical meal that used an otherwise unedible part of the bird. March 31st, National Clams on the Half-Shell Day. Savor the fresh, briny flavors of clams on the half-shell, a simple yet elegant appetizer. Thanks for watching. I hope this list inspires you to think about what to cook in March from a different angle. Embrace the joy of cooking and sharing meals, perfect for anyone who values the connection and memories created around the dining table. Please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and leave a comment below.